Wow, we're coming into Taiwan right now, and we are heading through this little opening here. So, good luck, Cap. Pretty colorful port town. That's pretty cool. All right, so we just landed in Kaohsiung, Taiwan, and this is the first tour that we've taken on Norwegian. And I'll tell you what, the bus is just amazing. So we're gonna go ahead, and it's called a glimpse of Kaohsiung. So we're gonna take it. I'm gonna share it with you. Please, someone will come back and get him. All right, here's our man, number 7, bus driver. And this is our bus. All right, so our first stop today is at the Lotus Pond. So now we're coming up to this pretty cool looking thing. The Spring and Autumn Pavilion.
Pretty cool in there.
Is it? Yeah. All right.
Oh my God.
So what I tried to do, what I decided to do is our group is out front, and I'm just going to walk through here. Oh man! Wow, look at that. That is pretty cool. So I don't know if everybody else is going to be able to walk through here, or if he's taking them in here. So I'm doing a little side trip myself. Don't lose our group. Oh, this is cool. Oop. I'm sorry I'm going so fast, but I want to make sure I don't lose our group here. And to get all the way out to the other side, that was cool. So to this very day, they still have called dragon boat races here, and called Dragon Festival. And happens every single year, which is kind of cool. It'd be kind of a neat thing to come and see if you're in this area. Now we're out at the edge here, and I'm gonna walk up this spiral staircase. Oh, look at the designs in here. Oh, that's amazing. Okay, on my left-hand side. Oh, we got a great view up here. All right, so far stop number 1 here on really a success, even if we just stopped here. I know we got a couple more spots to go to, but the day is perfect. A little bit of overcast here, but the weather's perfect and absolutely beautiful. Wow. I don't know if we're walking over there, but we got these two, I believe is what I heard him say. Wow. So I'm going to walk back through the dragon one more time. I just talked to somebody else who went through there, and I think I just went by too fast, to try to and really not stop and sort of experience. I know I do that sometimes, and I tell everybody, you know what, enjoy the moment, don't rush through it. And here I go, just zoom right through it. So I'm going to go back and let's take a little look through and do it a little bit slower. All right, so now we're going to go into Sheming Temple. Now I'll put the spelling of it here in the video. Wow. All right, so now we're heading into Confucius Temple area. All right, so the one thing I found out is that all Confucius temples do not have any types of statues in it. It's really for learning, education, which you all may have already known that, which I did not. Um, but you know, walking through this place is actually kind of cool. So we're going to take a couple shots, a couple videos of it, and see if we can learn something. Wow. Oh, beautiful water lilies. And in some of the buildings, they have um, exhibitions set up so that you can walk through it, get some sort of interactive type of learning as you're going through here. You know, we don't have time to go through it, but I'll just give you a couple shots of it. So, a very busy shopping street here. You can get fresh seafood, all yummy restaurants. All right, so one of the stops here as we're out towards the market, really not, I mean, we're walking through the market, but he took us over here to this temple. It's the temple, the goddess of the sea. Come to go inside, take a look at it, and also see someone do some of their offerings. And this one is the boat, very traditional over in Ming Dynasty, when they sailing from within China. And so what you do is you buy your offerings, and then they put them into the fire. All right, that was our trip to Kaohsiung, Taiwan. We had an absolute blast. It was well worth the money. If you're doing this cruise, I highly recommend doing a glimpse of Kaohsiung. Subscribe to our channel, and as always, keep dreaming, travel safe, and enjoy as much of the world as you possibly can.